Hello everyone. Today I am going to narrate a story. The name of the story is Good Habit. Pintu was a rabbit. He had to take rest at home for a few days as he was not keeping well. When he got recovered, doctor advised Pintu's mother to take him out for a walk in a fresh air. So one day in the morning, Pintu's mother took him out for a walk. After having a walk in a fresh air, while returning home, Pintu's mother bought some bananas. "I'm tired, Mamma, and I am hungry too," Pintu said to his mother. "My dear son, you can have this banana till we reach home. It will help you to gain some energy," said mother to Pintu. Pintu ate banana and threw peel of banana on the street. His mother was shocked to see this and said, "Oh no, what have you done, Pintu? Why did you throw the banana peel on the road? You should have thrown it in the dustbin." By this time, Monu Bear had come there and slipped from the banana peel. "Ah! Ouch!" Seeing this, Pintu got scared and he was sorry to see Monu Bear on the road. "Oh no, look Pintu, just because of your irresponsible act, Monu Bear slipped down and he got hurt his arm. We should help him." "Come Monu, let me tie a handkerchief around your arm," said Mamma. "Thanks, it's better now," said Monu. Pintu realized his mistake and said, "I'm really sorry. This happened because of me. I threw the banana peel on the road." Monu had forgiven Pintu and said, "It's okay. Please don't do it again. Bye-bye, Pintu." Then his mother told him importance of good habits and she praised him for apologizing for his mistake. She advised him not to throw waste on the road and make the surroundings dirty. Then she told him to pick up the banana peel and throw it in the roadside dustbin. "Okay, Mamma, I shall pick up the banana peel and throw it in the dustbin," said Pintu. "Oh, Pintu, you are such a good boy," said Mamma. Pintu was very happy. "My name is Pintu. My name is Pintu. I'm very happy. I'm very happy. Let's have some fun. Let's have some fun. I'm Mama's best son. I'm Mama's best son." Children, did you like the story? So, moral of the story is always throw waste in a dustbin. I hope you listened to the story carefully. I would like to ask few questions on it. Will you give the answers? Are you ready? What did Pintu do after eating banana? Yes, he threw the peel of banana on the road. What happened to Monu walking on the street? Yes, Monu Bear slipped from the banana peel. What did you learn from the story? Yes, we should throw waste in a dustbin. Bye bye. Thank you.